Alright, y'all. I'm gonna do this one for the family. Alright, Uncle Jesse.
What's going on?
Our cook today,
Brother.
July 4th, 2026, right?
Yeah, my first time on the grill for the whole family.
For the whole family.
I'm stressed.
He's risen up. We got some watermelon punch. Mimi made watermelon.
I'm yet to have any.
Got some burgers, hot dogs. What Mimi said that's
She
gravy?
got some mushroom gravy, she said, for mushroom Swiss burgers.
Son.
I'm gonna throw it on the grill and warm it up here in a little bit.
Howdy, Papa.
Hey, buddy.
Got his Diet Coke?
Yeah, and I've been sampling that brisket.
Oh.
Also, Jeremiah made it. It is good, too.
He's cutting it up.
We need a better recipe.
All right, Uncle Jermaine. Tell us about this.
This is a pasture-raised 7-pound brisket flat. Papa bought it for us. I got it about 7:30. We got it on the grill, and I got about a 6-7 hour cook on it.
Choo.
Then let it rest for a couple hours. And this is what we ended up with.
Oh, it looks good. You made the seasoning up?
I didn't. I got it. It's actually a seasoning from Tractor Supply.
Is it?
Tried it for. It's a beef rub.
Okay.
Very good.
But it's family approved now?
I think so.
Is there a small piece I can sample?
Yes. Let's see here.
Oh, look at that. That is Uncle Nate's sized right there.
Dip it in there, right there. Get you a little bit of that sauce on there.
All right. Check it out. Here we go. That says happy 250 years right there. That is good.
I haven't had it since
Bro. That right there says America.
Yes, it says America.
Hey, Uncle Aunt Hannah. I just called you Uncle Hannah.
I've not
Uncle
had,
Hannah, what's up?
I haven't had any yet. That's why I'm over here trying to get some.
Oh, you're on. We got a piranha circling around. Okay. Rice Krispies, cookies, fruit flag, I think they call them. Cupcakes. Hey, Renee. Say happy 4th of July.
Hey, would you give me my Coke?
All right. This is the crew. We got some fireworks. Let's see here. We got mortars. 120. We got 4 of them. Yeah, there's the 4th one. Got another one right there. Some Roman candles for the kids. A light tripod, and then over these sheds, right over here is the LaBelle Bridge. The bridge is right behind this shed. Okeechobee River, and there's going to be fireworks. The LaBelle fireworks show will be right over in here. It's going to be beautiful. So this is our spot, and happy 4th of July to you all. May God continue to bless America. Alright, y'all. Micah didn't know that when you're talking to a fan, you turn into a lion. You gotta scream. So he's gonna try that. Come on, Micah. Here we go. Now get right up there and go and roar like a lion and see if it makes you sound like one. On 1, 2, you gotta scream really loud though. 1, 2. Do it with him, Renee. 1, 2, 3, go! Did it sound like it? Alright, go ahead, do it. Ah! Turns you into a lion. Oh, you got the burger lurks coming off?
Yeah, this is actually the second round.
Phew.
Second round of burgers.
The cheese and station.
It's wanting to do it. I can't really do this one video.
Man, looking good. Get the plates made. And we've already got some kids eating over here. Y'all tearing it up? How is it? Nice mustache. How about you? You got food yet or no? No? Alright. Looking good.
Worried about air pollution, folks.
Yay! Y'all see them inside the fence?
I thought they were outside.
No, they're inside. Oh, they are outside, yeah. Yeah.
Really?
Look, Renee passed out on my arm. Can't really see it. I think it's about time for the grand finale,
You're
Renee.
the people at the park.
Get your foot out of the camera. You silly goose. I moved the camera to get her toes out of the camera, so she moved her foot to get them back in the camera. Watch over there. Watch over there. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Some big open windows
A lot of it's elected administration too, so guys are going
They did a lot more this year.
You like fireworks, Mel?
Please, can you get me a drink?
Oh, there's the noisy one, Renee.
Hey, you just spilled drink all on me.
They're so cute.
I think they're working.
The amber ones are cool. Malachi. We'll get it Monday. Oh, cool.
You saw them noisy ones, Renee?
Nuh-uh. I was
Oh, that's cool.
No, you got down. Micah, stop that. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, but
Malachi, watching the fireworks? Were they amazing or what?
Oh, here we go. You can tell them are gonna be some good ones.
I think we had a very good right when we thought we had a good show, right? We were like, okay, we're humble.
Come on.
America probably is one of the only countries that does fireworks.
80,000.
That was it.
Ready to drive?
For real, you heard it? That him that just fired up? You heard that cam?